Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, we have completed our final syllabus and we are going through with revision. We have done Maths Revision 1 and Maths Revision 2. Now, today we will do Maths Revision Test Part 3, in which I have given you homework. I had given you homework yesterday. That is Chapter 10 and Chapter 11. You have to prepare exercise from that. So today we will do the revision from these two chapters only, chapter 10 and chapter 11. So chapter 10 is time and chapter 11 is geometry. So I will give you questions from these two chapters today, like fill in the blanks, define the term, tables and conversion of time. You have to write the AM or PM for that. The questions are given. You have to write the AM or PM for that. And fill-ups you have to do. So, tables you will write as you are writing daily. You will write the full table. Don't write only the answer. And do this revision also in your maths revision copy. So that you can do all the revisions in one copy only. Don't use pages for doing the revision. Now children, let's start doing the revision. I will explain you the questions which I have given in your revision, and then after that also if you will have any query, then you can ask me on WhatsApp group. So children, let's start doing maths revision part 3. This is your maths revision 3. First question is fill in the blanks. Now, first question for that, this question is dash is the first day of the week. You have to tell the first day of the week. You have to write the name of that day. Second is dash is the last day of the week. So, you have to write the name of last day of the week. Third is dash month always has the fewest day. From January to December, which month is having fewest day? Fewest means less. The fewest day, the month which is having, you have to write the name of that month in question number in the dash of 3. Fourth question is dash minutes are there in 480 seconds. 480 seconds are given. You have to write the minutes, that in how many minutes there are 480 seconds are there. So in 1 minute 60 seconds are there. So according to this you can calculate that how many minutes are having 480 seconds. Fifth question is dash minutes make half an hour. So how many minutes make half an hour? That you have to write here. Okay. Now question number 2 is write the following in AM or PM. You have to write the AM or PM for these questions. Now let's see the questions which are given. First question is 4:35 in the afternoon. So 4:35 in the afternoon, what you will use for 4:35 in the afternoon, PM or AM, that you will write here with time. Suppose that it is 4:35 PM. So you will write here 4:35 PM. You have to write the time also and then you will put AM or PM. Okay. Now question number 2, 7:30 in the morning. You have to write 7:30 in the morning. We use AM or PM. So you will write here 7:30 AM or PM. Third question is 11:30 in the morning. Again you will write the time with AM or PM. Matlab 11:30 you will mention, then you will mention AM. It is AM or PM. 10:45 at night. So first you will write 10:45, then you will mention AM or PM. Question number 5 is 3 3:45 in the afternoon. So 3:45 in the afternoon, you will write that it is AM or PM. So first write down the time, then you will mention AM or PM. So these two questions are clear. Now let's see question number 3. Question number 3 is write the tables of 17 and 19. So two tables today you will write because the questions are very short. So you can write these two tables also. So tables you will again write full. Don't write only the answer. You will write like 17 ones are 17. 17 multiplied by 1 is equal to 17. And 19 multiplied by 1 is equal to 19. So this way you will write. Don't write only the answer. So you have to write the tables of 17 and 19. Now fourth question is define the following terms. You have to write the definition for the terms which are given here. So what are the terms? Let's see. A line. You have to write the definition of line here. A line segment. You will write the definition of line segment here. Then radius. You will write the definition of radius here. And chord. So you have to write the definition of chord here. Line, line segment, radius and chord. So children, you will write the definitions also and draw the diagrams for these terms so that you can prepare it for your examination also. So write the definition with draw their diagrams also. Okay children, now your today's homework is you will learn the table of 17, 18, 19 and 20. Once again I am repeating the homework. You will learn the table of 17, 18, 19 and 20. Clear? Now I am sending the picture of this revision on your WhatsApp. You can do it in your revision copy. Thank you and have a nice day children.